farming, and we're just feeding our chickens. We got 22 of them. They lay quite a bit of eggs. We had 100 and, what was it, 100 and last year, or last month.
Oh, we had 197 eggs collected in both December and last month. This month they have slowed down quite a bit.
Because we're adding this part on, and that scared them a little bit.
Stressed them out just a little. But they got some of their scraps. They got feed, water. They look like they could use a little bit more feed, but...
And then we give them fresh vegetables all year round.
And so, yeah, this is the chicken coop part of B&B farming. So this is part of what we do almost every day.
And then for treats, we give them mealworms, a handful. Don't even say it. I don't even want to say it. Don't even say it, man. I don't even want to say it.
Say what?
When we did that one thing about mealworms or whackers.
Chickens flying everywhere at me.
Sure they were. Oh, get out.
Alright. Alright, so this is the second most biggest part of the farm. We got some lambs over here. And with the ewes. There's is it 3 in that one? And this one looks...
This one has a prolapse, where she's trying to push out her inside because she thinks her lambs are ready. And then there's two females, and then that's one boy. I can tell because there's red tag on that one. You see that? And then there's pink tags on those two. And the pink tags mean it's a girl, and we have pink. And then for the boys we have blue and red.
And it looks like that most of the sheep, or the ewes, are in here.
And it's over there. We'll go and read that. It's 38 degrees and we don't even have a heater. That's for the fan. That's how warm they keep it in here. You got anything to say, Bailey?
So this is just the main part. This is more of the lambing shed. It's I would say it's more coming towards the end of winter, so it's cold. It's cold outside.
Yeah, I forgot to wear a jacket yesterday. It's purple and pink. Those are purple, pink for the girls, and then blue and red for the boys. Yeah, and then we cut off the tails. Alright, here's the biggest part of the shed. Where all the sheep, about 100 head of sheep is around in here.
This wall part was, this part on this side was built not too long ago, and this was recently spray foamed over the summer.
Yeah. Pretty big shed. It's a lot colder in here because that door is open over there. Oh, which one are you? Orly? Come here, Orly. Orly's our bus driver, and we bought the sheep from neighbors, and they named them. We had a couple tame ones in here. Orly, say hello. Bah.
But this is mainly what we have right now on the farm. We did have goats, but then we got rid of them.
Here comes.
Skipper?
No, just 62S.
Huh. Pretty friendly.
Ooh, I think she might have her baby. She's getting concerned. Oh, there's the buck.
Right there. That's the buck. That's one of them.
The smaller, he's smaller than most ewes. Oh, here comes Rose, Jenna's pet, my sister. Oldest one here. Look at her spine. She's getting really old.
But this is mainly what you'll probably be seeing most of the time through these videos. Probably not just all up in the shed, or at least for a while until lambing's done, but
Hopefully we can pull one out of her. She's like, stop videotaping me. Alright, well I'll give the camera to Bailey and he can say whatever.
But yeah, this is mainly what Brandon and I do. I'll try to do almost every day. In the summer it is mainly every day, but maybe sometimes the weekends. And through that door over there, it's just out to pasture. It's got a feeder.
Let's go and show 'em.
Buck was not too happy to see us.
I don't think that was a buck. That wasn't a buck. Yeah, next buck we see, I'll try to wrestle it if I have the chance. I don't feel like biting the bone.
We ended up pushing out all the sheep back out here.
Yeah, they'll go back in because it's cold.
Well, should we go see if that was plastic or snow on that?
Yeah.
Hop it up in the old diesel.
Is it going?
She's still going here on the camera now.
Alright, well, safety first.
We're going like 60, maybe 100 yards.
Not as cold overnight tonight as we look for a partly cloudy sky. We'll dip into the single digits below.
See,
Light
look at the sheep.
southeasterlies. Warmer tomorrow with a chance of light snow in the afternoon. High up at around 25 as we stay in the
Let's show you.
the
Like
chance of light snow tomorrow
there's
night.
just
High
snow
at
up on it.
26 to your
Yeah,
Friday.
well,
The
we'll
weekend
go out
should
there and
stay
show 'em what
Highs will be in the mid to upper 20s with a chance of snow Saturday.
Alright, well, we're gonna go and, go and check the. Hot wire? Nope. I'm gonna wait one day while that's hot and I'm gonna turn it off. It's stuck on my pants. I hate barbed wire. What is this?
Not sure. I don't know, but she's down there. She feels like 10.
This summer I'll come and pick that up. Well, this is one of our feeders that my dad made. It's just snow on them. You can see all the sheep's eyes in the light. Looks kind of creepy. Yeah, well, we come in with a tractor and put a bale in this feeder and a feeder down there, and then we put a round bale over there, way over there, and then we put one. We have a red feeder over here. Wait, you guys couldn't see. Red feeder right here where we actually, my grandpa made this for my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Justin. November 2016. In memory of Dan Volkman. He's a cranky old fart, but
You know how to get the job done.
he lived in Fertile, Minnesota, and he was fun to be around when he wasn't cranky.
See if we can get all the ewes back in, and then we can shut the door.
Nah, Dad because Dad goes through and makes sure they're not anywhere. And then
Right.
if they want to eat, still over there in that round bale.
Oh yeah, that's right. You know that round bar.
Yeah, we feed them 3 bales, and that lasts them 3 days. And then we got the big old diesel out today. All right, Bailey, I'll hand you the
All right, so that's basically almost what we do so far during the winter.
Yeah, because we have school and we can't get out and work, so we come here every night and do this. And yeah, Dale Flum's not too happy that we do it every night because that wastes a lot of gas. But
You know what?
shout out to Dale Flum.
We enjoy doing this though. I mean, I wouldn't rather be doing anything else.
I wouldn't be playing Fortnite right now, but well, I said I would want to do this and play Fortnite right now.
But hopefully, Brendan and I, if we are able to gather up, maybe get some sheep of our own.
Nah, I'm going cows.
That's right. That's right. We're getting that one.
It might be.
Might be getting that one part cows, and hopefully I'll be able to bring along, record some of us working in the summer. In the summer, it's a lot more eventful. But right now, you get to
It's a lot funnier. I'll tell you that much. Bailey, because we wrestle in hay. Oh, don't worry, that's our break, Dad. So if you get mad, that we take that on break. We wrestle in hay. Like we take a 15-minute break, wrestle in hay, and then we mess around with the sheep, and yeah, that's about it.
It's fun.
And then chickens this year, we had them a little bit last summer, but we're going spring this time, so.
I mean, to be honest, would you say farming is a harder, but also it can be easy at times, but it's a harder thing to do. Like you have to be able to put time and effort in it.
If you don't have time, it's going to be a lot harder.
And money. Even with just chickens, I think I put together, we end up paying at least $50 a month for just feed.
Yeah. But
And-
we sell eggs, and that's what gets us that money.
Yeah.
This month, it's going to be pretty hard to get. No, we probably about $100 every
It depends on
2 months.
Yeah, it depends how much feed we buy.
Because we bought 10 bags over the winter. We buy 5 bags at once.
And that's around $45 without tax. And so if you have time, money, and energy, and land is the hardest thing to get.
Yeah.
So
I suggest you to get chickens. They're like, if you're littler, and it'll give you a responsibility, and your parents will like that. If you do it every day, and you can't get told to do it, you gotta just do it.
and if you're a parent watching this, I would also recommend chickens first before you get sheep, goats, cows.
And tell them to check them twice a day, morning and night. Have them get up before school to get good to get up earlier and work before school, so then that they can do that stuff.
I'll be honest, sometimes I have a harder time getting up in the mornings to do it, but
I wake up at 5, he wakes up at 5:30.
of course you live right next to the coop.
And I wake up earlier.
I don't know why you do, but like I agree with Brendan, it's a responsibility thing.
You don't have to wake up. You can wake up 30 minutes before you have to start getting ready.
Because really it's just...
No, wake up an hour before you get ready, because you got to change clothes. You can't go out in the school clothes.
Yeah.
So wake up an hour earlier, and if you have to wake up at 6.
I mean, chickens are easy. Make sure they have feed,
Or wake up.
light, heat, and if you live in a snowy area where it gets cold, and water. Feed and water, sometimes you don't need that heat source because chickens, as long as they're fed and watered properly, they'll go and roost and keep laying eggs if all the proper things are done.
Our heat source is 2 heat lamps in our chicken coop that we just showed you. That's our heat source. So here comes Dad.
So
Yeah, so that's just our heat source. So yeah.
well, we will see you in the next video, and hopefully maybe we'll see some more new lamps.
Yep, get those. Oh, and another thing, you got to keep your grades up if you're in school. Make sure that, because the responsibility comes with that. Your parents won't let you get any more animals if you don't have your grades up or do fun stuff. Make sure you keep those up. All right. Well, we'll talk to you in the next video.